Jase, you got a copy?
Yeah, mate, what's happened?
First time I went to Wujal Wujal, we had an absolute cracker of a time. Like, it's just out of control.
Come on, baby.
Come on, I relive that all the time, how bad that was.
Something broke.
From something bad comes something good, a ray of sunshine.
We're stuck up the track.
Yeah.
It was totally random that day. This dude drives along the track and in the back of his ute, he's got a spare yoke for a uni. Unbelievable.
There you go. I can't believe you got it in your ute.
So you could tell straight away as soon as we met PJ, like, this dude's a bushy through and through, fair dinkum, like, what an awesome dude. And he explained how he lived. It's like, we've got to go and check this guy out. So we come back and let's face it, we're hamming it up a bit about breaking drive shafts and stuff, but we've come in a different way this time. We're really only just mucking around that we're going to break drive shafts. Like, we don't do that often. What's happening, buddy?
Something's not good, mate. You're kidding me.
What the hell?
We had to get that 200 out. Now that is what this is all about. It's all about the story of our time spent getting out of Wujal Wujal.
You love them, don't
You were bogged to the eyeballs. If we get rain in here, it's all over, I'll tell you now.